If you've lost access to your Hulu account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Hulu login page. Go to the official Hulu website and click on the login button. This will take you to the login screen where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Your Password link and click on it. This will direct you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Hulu account. Make sure to use the correct email to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Hulu. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Log in with new password. Once you have reset your password, return to the Hulu login page and enter your email and the new password you created. You should now have access to your account. If you continue to have issues, consider reaching out to Hulu customer support for further assistance.